It is a beautiful evening, 71 degrees, and I have the whole plant store to myself. No one is out here because it is raining cats and dogs, and I love it. We really do need the rain. It's monsoon season here. And the best time to go plant shopping, if you ask me. Got some sticks on fire in the back. I love this cactus. And the needles on it are amazing. It's 35 bucks. This is a 2-gallon. This is the Cardone. I love this plant as well. I've killed it before, unfortunately. I am terrible at keeping euphorbias alive. This is the cow's horn euphorbia. It's beautiful. Look at the sharp edges. You're like, look at me, but don't get too close. And then I just bought this recently. This is the Euphorbia African palm tree, and they're selling it for $25, and I got it for half off because a couple of the branches were dying. Look at this. The red margins, gorgeous.